Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.